Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Jamal Mehmood. So today I will teach you how to export a file in the WordPress. So let's start the video. So first you can open your WordPress website and then you can go for simply there is a tool option, click and there is a import option and you can install WordPress import plugin. This is built into the WordPress and simple run it. Then you can choose your file and click this and simply click this check mark and submit. So the all posts are imported done successfully. Now you can go for the post.